May the 1st, 2013. A 5.8 magnitude earthquake struck parts of northern India and Pakistan, rattling buildings. At many places, people rushed out of their homes and offices and began praying. The epicenter was located 88 kilometers east of Jammu city in India, with a depth of 10 kilometers. Luke 21:11. And great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines, and pestilences, and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.